What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing SCP-173. Let's start at the top of our page and draw two large circles. We're going to start on the left side, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the circle, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line this up, come all the way down towards the same height, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's add a smaller circle on the inside. Starting from the top, leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up. Let's add that large opening in the center of the head. Starting from the top, we're going to start with a point. From here, it's going to curve this out, and then back in on the left. Go back up to the top, go out, and then bend that back in. Let's add another curve, starting back on the left, and bend this out, and then back in toward the center point. Go to the right, go out, and then in. Let's fill that area in black. Let's go down to the bottom. We're going to curve out, and then in on the left. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right side. And we'll connect the inside with another curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a small circle on the inside. And we'll fill the outer area in black. Now we're going to move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side, curve down, and then back up. And then from the ends, we're going to come down and in. Let's add 2 points on either side. Angle up and out. And we'll pull that down and in towards the middle. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we take that same size circle we have on the inside and draw them down below. So start back on the left, all the way around, and back up. Line this up on the right side. And we'll add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. Just going to pull this in and then out. And we'll fill the eyes in black. Now let's add those markings inside the face. We're going to start on top of the left circle, come in, and then bend that up. Line this up on the right. And then from here you come down and in with a short line, and go up and out. And then from here, curve in and then down with a short line, and pull that in and up towards the center point. Let's go to the outside of the circle along the bottom, curve down and in, and then we'll come down and then out along the inside of the bottom eye. Then we'll go to the corners of the mouth, curve down and then up underneath the eyes. Let's add some drips along the bottom of the mouth, starting on the left. Straight down, so we'll round this out and then pull that back up. Set another curve, coming down and up. Draw a slightly longer one, coming down, round up the bottom, and then pull that straight up underneath the mouth. Now we move back up and draw the outside of the head. From that top point, let's step up. Just going to curve this out, around the eyes, and come down. Just going to pull this down and in underneath the head. down, and just bend that in to right about there. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing. Going out towards the right, and bend that down. Just round this out, and then pull that in along the bottom. Let's leave a gap underneath the head and draw the side of the body. We start on the left side, step down, curve the body going out, and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, come down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right side, leaving a gap in between the feet. I'm going to pull the legs going up and in towards the center. So let's start here with a point, curve this out, and then down toward the left and right side. Now we move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the forearms. From the side of the body, we're going to step out. I'm just going to curve this up and then down. Line this up on the right. And then from the outside, we'll bend the hand, coming down, and then bend that back up. Let's go to the bottom of the hand, curve the arm coming down and in behind the body. Then we'll go up to the top of the hand, curve the arm going up and in underneath the head. Now I'm going to go back up and add a fold on the outside of the eye. Starting from the left, curve down and then in. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's SCP-173. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.